You. And now at 11, a major donation is helping healthcare workers on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic.
A special partnership is bringing $1 million worth of scrubs to impacted hospitals all across the country. And joining us now is the CEO of Charismatic Brands, located in the San Fernando Valley, Mike Singer. Mike, thanks for joining us this morning. We know hospitals are struggling to find much needed equipment. How urgent is the need for scrubs right now, along with all the other PPEs?
Well, Lou, there's two big problems. There's a growing number of very sick patients. And as you mentioned, there's a really significant shortage of PPE, which is personal protective equipment. Normally, this goes over the scrubs. But because they're so short on PPE, now many of the healthcare professionals only have scrubs to wear, and they don't have time to go out and purchase new scrubs. So this is really designed to help them. If they need to throw away their scrubs, we're going to get fresh scrubs to them so that they have clean scrubs to wear until their PPE arrives.
So, Mike, who will this donation impact the most?
Well, it's going to impact hospitals where there's significant outbreaks of the coronavirus, the hot spots. The scrubs will benefit the healthcare professionals who are on the front lines, and those are the people that are caring so bravely for these infected patients.
We're talking about hospitals, but what if there's individuals out there? Will they also be able to get these scrubs?
Well, the program is really designed for the healthcare workers on the front lines in the hospitals. We're trying to focus where we can have the biggest impact in the shortest amount of time. And so what we've done is the brands of Cherokee and Dickies have come together to partner with local healthcare uniform stores that are in these communities, and we'll be delivering the product to them, and they will be delivering it right to where it's needed at the hospitals.
So, Mike, the scrubs are already made. They don't need to be made, right, anywhere?
Right. We have a tremendous supply of scrubs on the ground in the United States. There's probably 10 million or more units in the United States between local retail medical uniform stores in all the counties across the country and the backup in the warehouses of the manufacturers. So the scrubs are available and the scrubs are flowing. There isn't a shortage of scrubs. We just need to get them to the hospitals where they're needed. So the design here was to get a program in place where hospitals could request needed scrubs, and those scrubs could flow immediately right to the hospitals where they're needed.
Okay, so those hospitals, how can they reach out if they need them?
We've set up an email address to make it simple, which is scrubs@charismatic.com. That's spelled CAREISMATIC. And we're asking for hospital administrators, purchasing executives, chief nursing officers to email us, let us know their needs. We've got a press release out there detailing how to do it, and then we will respond immediately to them.
All right. Well, Mike Singer, again, the CEO of Charismatic. This is a great donation you're making today, and I'm sure it's certainly appreciated by people in the medical community. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Mike.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a good day.